In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your site history in Wix, a valuable tool for managing and maintaining your website. Whether you're reviewing changes or ensuring everything is running smoothly, accessing your site history is a simple yet crucial skill. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, we need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com, where you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Wix account page. Here, you'll see an array of websites you've either created or been invited to manage. Find the website you're interested in and click on its title or the option that says Go to Site. This action will open the dashboard specific to that website, which serves as the command center for all your site management needs. Once you're in the dashboard, our next task is to locate the site history. Start by looking for an area labeled Site Actions. This is typically represented by 3 dots, which might look like a vertical or horizontal icon, or sometimes a gear symbol, depending on any updates or changes to the interface. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. It's here you'll want to find the option labeled Site History. Give that a click and voila, you've accessed your site history. Now, why delve into your site history? Well, this feature provides a chronological log of all changes made to your site, offering you a comprehensive view of what has been altered and when. It's incredibly useful for identifying when specific updates were made, particularly if multiple people collaborate on your site. Understanding these changes can help trace any issues back to their source or appreciate the evolution of your site over time. Tip for you: make it a habit to periodically check your site history, especially after significant updates or modifications. It ensures that you're always aware of the changes happening on your site, allowing you to manage your content proactively. This practice can prevent potential issues before they become significant problems. And there you have it. You've not only learned how to access your site history, but also gained insight into why it's such an essential aspect of website management. Whether you're a Wix veteran or a newbie, this knowledge empowers you to wield greater control over your site's development and functionality. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy website